This is a big question, how to start a business. So here I am sharing some ideas. First of all, you have to prepare yourself mentally for it. And second, you have to think freely. So how you can think freely? Do all the work yourself and don't pay yourself a wage. Use the resources you have at your fingertip and use the skills you already have. You can make some action plans like first, find out what free local business networking groups are in your area, join them. Second, think about the existing infrastructure in your area which you can take advantages of. A half empty hotel, a little used town hall, a theater which is only used in the evening. And third one, write down a list of the resources you already have to hand and skills you have which you could charge for. So think about it. You can do it. In the next video, you will find us with new thoughts. Take care.